I'll let you know how I progress if I do get anything done because it's so much stuff. It's overwhelming. I am headed to our R-Zone fitness class. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mariely Sanchez and I'm a 4th grade teacher in South Florida who is currently on summer break but still coming into school because I haven't had the energy nor the motivation to finish packing up my classroom. I don't know, this year has been the toughest, and then it gets worse because I got sick this week, or started last week, and last night I had a terrible night sleeping because my coughing was bothering me and I couldn't go to sleep. And anyway, I finally got to school, but I only have 1 hour to get anything done. So don't know how much I'm gonna accomplish in that 1 hour, but I'm gonna try my best to do as much as I can. And then I'm gonna go, and tomorrow I'll come back after my workout. So I'll combine this day with tomorrow's day so that it's not a super short video. But I'm almost making it to my classroom now. I did leave my keys, so I'm gonna go around the other classroom because I locked it. Yep, it's locked. So let's go in through the other classroom. All right, so we're doing this. It's kind of dark in here, but we're coming around. All right, here we go. We share bathrooms, that's why the classrooms are connected. All right, so now I'm in my room and it's dark. All right, back in my room with tons of stuff to still get done. Over here, we're pretty good, but over here, not so much. So let's get to it. I'm gonna put some music and see what I can get done in 1 hour, because that's all I have time for today. I'll let you know how I progress if I do get anything done, because it's so much stuff. It's overwhelming. And my mind this year hasn't been the best in getting these things done. I'm just being honest. All right, here we go. As expected, I didn't get much done in just 1 hour. I did start throwing out some papers, as you can see here, that were on my desk. So my desk is starting to look less cluttered, but I still have a ton to do. I also managed to put this closet cabinet thing up here by myself. It used to house our hand sanitizers, hand soap, and tissues, and snack bags, Ziploc bags, all that stuff. And it was inside of the bathroom, but I ended up hauling it up here, and right now it is empty, and I can put things here, store it on top of here for the summer, put a zip tie here to close it. This is the hand sanitizer and soap that I'm keeping, and I have to figure out what to do with the tissue boxes I'm keeping. But yeah, that is where I put that monster. It was kind of hard to put up there, but I did it on my own. So that's the little bit that I was able to do in just 1 hour. 1 hour is just not enough time. So I'm gonna go and continue on with my day and see where it takes me. I will catch up with you probably tomorrow so that you can see the progress. I don't know if I can get this all done tomorrow, but I'm going to try my hardest because I think tomorrow's the last day that I can actually work in my room, because I think next week they're gonna start working on the floors, and my classroom might be one of the classes that they start to clean up the floors. So I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, instead of moving us to tomorrow, Friday, I decided to come to Whole Foods because I need to find some cashew butter and a couple of other things since I'm trying to eat clean and healthy now. So I'm here at Whole Foods. Let's see if we can find it. All right, so I am now in Target because I need to buy the remaining groceries that I need in order to have food to eat clean and healthy. So I'm heading to the produce department. It's also the place that I like to buy my ground turkey breast because I feel like it's the cheapest price compared to Publix or Whole Foods. And I get the Jenny O brand or the Simply Balanced brand, that is the Target brand or something for the healthy foods. So let's see if we can find that too. Just finished gathering all my groceries and now I'm just gonna pay and go home. I'm all done with my grocery shopping for now. I do have to buy some other protein, probably at Publix or at Costco. I need to buy chicken breasts. And I also want to get some zucchini, which I'll get from Publix at another time. But right now I'm exhausted. I know, it seems like I haven't done hardly anything today, but I'm exhausted. So I'm going to go home. And I just realized maybe I'm exhausted because I'm sick and I need to just rest and chill. So I was able to find the cashew butter at Whole Foods. At first I was going to get the Whole Foods brand, but then I noticed that the other ingredient other than raw cashews was safflower oil, which added to the calories, and I really didn't want any added oils. So I got the other one that I found that only has roasted cashews as the only ingredient. So that's the one that I brought, and I can't wait to try it to see how it tastes. I can't really do almond butter because I'm allergic to almonds and I'm a little bit allergic to peanuts. I mean, I could do it, but I think cashews are going to be a little better. So I'm going to try that out with some toast. And I also found some ground turkey at Target. It was the only one they had, which I need more, but for now it's okay. And I got some other things at Target that are a necessity for making my meals. So I have snacks, I have things to make meals from, so I have food so I can eat healthy and stay away from the not so healthy foods because I am very serious about getting back to a better health regimen so that I can feel better physically, mentally, spiritually, all of the above. All right, so now I'm just gonna go home, put all these groceries away, rest and relax for the rest of the day, see what my son wants to do. And then I'll see you tomorrow, Friday, which will start with my workout with Adriana at our zone. See you then. Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday and I am headed to our zone fitness class. I have actually been in the car for almost an hour because traffic be crazy. And I am probably gonna have to just meet Adriana at the R-Zone studio, fitness studio, because I don't think I'm gonna make it to her house. So I'm just trying here, but traffic can be stressful. Even though school is out, there is still a lot of traffic, especially at this time, which is around the 8 to 9 a.m. time, which is usually when you have rush hour. All right, but I'm really trying and I'm determined to make it to this class. So I'm hoping that I can at least make it on time. So let's see how the rest of the day goes. After the class, we're gonna go to our Pollo Tropical lunch date. And then I'm going to head into the classroom to hopefully have enough energy to get everything done today so I don't have to look back at my classroom until August. All right, so let me get going. I'm at a traffic light right now. I'm not driving, so I'm being safe. And I'll see you later. I just made it to the place. I parked. I'm late, but I'm gonna walk in. Adriana said it should be fine because she talked to the people. So let's see how it turns out today. About to put my heart monitor on my arm and see what we end up doing today. All right, here we go. we survived. Wait, I can't speak. I'm so tired. We survived our second class. And even though it was 10 minutes late, I still managed to burn more calories than Wednesday. Woo! All right. Now, yeah. Now to eat and rest. Pollo tropical. All right. Just got to school. I have maybe 3 hours or maybe 3.5 to get things done, or maybe just 3 hours. I don't know. Let's see how much I can accomplish. I need to get it all done today, hopefully. So wish me luck. Back in the classroom to try to get all this sorted out. I gotta really make sure I have enough energy to do all this because this still feels overwhelming. Teaching for 18 years, you start accumulating so many things and you just have no idea what you want to keep, what you should give away, what you should throw away, how to store everything that you do want to keep. So much. Okay, I think today I'm just going to focus on putting things away, not so much on organizing, even though my brain's going to want to organize while I put things away. That's the dilemma, but we're going to try our best here. Okay, so here I go. Time to give you a progress check. So I went to empty my little recycling bin into the big recycling bin, and then I noticed that it was pretty much empty, the big recycling bin. So I rolled it up into my room so I can just dump the stuff in there and put it back where it was as I leave today. So that's my little recycling bin. This is the big recycling bin. And I dumped new stuff in there, but pretty much empty. So time to throw away all the papers I need to throw away. The 3 drawer cards that were here, I put them up there. And I also put these up there as well, and those, and I started stacking up things. I emptied my cabinets, that one, and that one, to make space so I can start putting things away. And what I did is I had a whole bunch of novel studies, books, and everything like that. So I put them in these bookshelves right here by the sink, which I covered so that nobody uses it. I put these here, but there's more books over here, as you can see, so that I have more space in these cabinets. These bags have some school supplies that I need to just put away. Let me show you this cabinet right here. So the bottom is pretty much science stuff. The top, I'm gonna put some math stuff and math manipulatives and things like that. Over here, I left my junior grade books up here, and I left that novel study there because it was already in bags and I didn't want to deal with that. So I still have space here to put things away. I haven't looked through these yet, but hopefully this is enough space for me to put everything away, on top of putting things in these shelves right here that are empty so that I can store things, and also these drawers right here that are empty so I can store things as well. So making some progress little by little, and then I'll see where we end up in about an hour, because I think I have about an hour left, but I've done a lot in the about 2 hours that I've been here. I'm really proud of myself. I think I'm still gonna cut it close. I don't know if I'll be able to finish today, but I'm gonna try my best to see if I can get it done. So let's get to it. Well, so much for having 1 hour to work in my classroom. They just announced that they're closing the school at 3:30. So that only gives me about 20 minutes to see what I can do. I'm not gonna finish. I'm gonna have to try to sneak in on Monday and hope that they're not starting to work in my room on Monday so that I can finish up what I need to finish up, because even though I'm pretty much done with the big pile that was in this back corner here, see, I'm pretty much done with that. I think I'll just finish that. I still have everything that's on top of my kidney table and everything that's over here by my teacher area and in this area too. So I'm not gonna get it all done in 20 minutes. I'm being realistic. So I'm just gonna try my best. So here I go. All right, it's time to go. I have to get out of here, but I did clear up this backspace. Big, huge progress. I started putting things away in these 3 cabinets, still have some space, which is great. And I stacked up everything else that I could today up there, but still have this to work on, that over there to work on, and this to work on, and then I'll be done. But I'm not done yet. And I have things to take with me, which are over there, but I can't take it today because I need help carrying it down. And I only have 5 minutes to get out. I am gonna take this blue bag with me, so yeah. All right, that's all I have for you today. I'm just gonna go home, take a shower, do something with my son because I haven't done much with him this week. Maybe we can go out to eat or do something fun. But I hope you enjoyed coming along with me on this 2-day vlog on what I'm trying to do during my summer break. I still have to finish this room because I don't feel like I can fully enjoy summer until it's done. You know what I mean? But I'm gonna get there. Monday, I'm gonna come super early. I'm gonna set my alarm for 6 a.m. so I can get here by 7. So let's get it done. All right, so I hope you enjoyed coming along with me on this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought or any questions you may have. Also, if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell for notifications so you don't miss any future videos. I hope you have a beautiful, magical day, and don't forget to smile. Hello dreamers, wishers, and magical thinkers. Thank you so much for making it to the very end of this video and for showing your support. If you'd like to subscribe, you can do so by clicking on my picture down here. You can also check out my latest videos here and here. Don't forget to believe in the magic that's inside you because you are capable of great things. See you next time.